So here we are, back in nature.
Oh no!
What?
My window.
What's wrong with it?
You put it up and
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is Adam here from JCL. Friday afternoon again, and we are heading out. Where we're going, we don't know, but guess what? As usual, you're coming along for the ride. So the truck, the white ute, still in the workshop. It's only been in there for 2 days. Can't expect it to be fixed already. They're expecting about the 27th, 24th, 27th, so either just before or just after Australia Day. Looking forward to getting it back, getting the ARB big bar on it. It's going to look sweet. Can't wait to get back behind the wheel of that and go for some adventures. Well, we've just been to the beach. The sun was out. It was a little bit windy, but not windy enough not to go. What do you think? Was it a good day at the beach, Eli?
Yeah.
Did you go in the water?
Yeah.
Did you have to do a poo?
No. I want to see Ella still. And watch Papa's going.
Today I've got Fui here at the office with me because it's a very special day. Me and Fui are heading to Newcastle to meet our newest family member. Her name's Scout. She's a Catahoula cross, Wolfhound cross, Staffy, apparently. Beautiful little girl. Currently living with her brother. So today we're gonna head up there after work together. We're gonna meet her. If everything goes well, we might even be bringing her home on the weekend. So come along for the adventure. We're just gonna head to Glendenning before we head up the coast. Gotta pick up some parts for the boys. Won't be staying simply because I've got Fu with me. She can't stay on site, obviously. She hasn't got a white card, nor do I for that matter, so we can't stay on site. So we might be heading up a little bit early today. Yo! Just want to show you how Fui is enjoying her new back seat. Hey, Fui! Hey, to the camera! Well, we've just been to meet Scout and her brother, Harold. Bit of a mixed feelings because although it's like 45 degrees here at the moment, that really slows the pups down. Harold was still full of beans, but Scout was a little sleepy. She was I wouldn't say standoffish, but she just didn't care. So it was really hard to judge what kind of personality she had. So cute, so small. We think Harold's been stealing a little bit of her food through the tiny meals a day they get. Optimum for pups they've been eating, so keep that on the diary. Really went all right with the dogs. They had their poodle there, and he was a little bit energetic for Fui. They just didn't really get along. A little bit too jumpy aroundy for Fui's liking. And yes, but she was all good when they put her away. What are we gonna do? I want to go and pick her up now. Scout, you coming home with me, darling? Oh, you are a chewer. We'll have to watch you. Hello.
she comes through, then yeah, she'll just have to wait and I'll just have to keep going back to her. Yep.
That's what, 1, 2, 3, maybe 5 lines on the road that we can see ahead. It's incredible. It is exactly 12:08 during the day. You can see that. Watch this car disappear into the mist. I can still see him. Can you see him on the screen? Coming up through Helensburgh at the moment on the M1. Got my hazards running. It's pretty cool weather, eh? We've been doing this all week. I haven't come up here during the middle of the day, but it's been pretty cool to do. I haven't actually driven in fog like this since I was a lot younger. Dangerous the fog is. If you're a fast approaching car and there's a slow moving car in front of you, it's important to have your hazard lights on, just simply so you can see through that cloud. Like your driving lights are not going to be seen until you hit your brakes. Imagine driving this in the bush. This is the kind of weather that I absolutely adore camping in. It's just incredible to wake up and be surrounded by fog that you can only see so far away from the camp. It's incredibly dreamy. I love it. What's this dude doing? Pulled over from the left lane straight across the highway into a U-turn bay, which is not allowed. Some people, I don't know where they get their licenses from. Today being Thursday, I will be picking it up from storage and bringing it home with me, because on Monday morning it's going into ARB to get the bull bar fitted. Now I could fit it myself, but I've just put it in there. I've only got myself here. It's a little bit hard to lift. I don't have any like lifting tools or anything like that to put it on, so it's all come through insurance anyway. So insurance is paying to get the bull bar put on. I'm going to put on the side steps and the side bars and put the driving lights, antennas. I'll do all that myself at home. That's no problem. So as of Monday, I'm actually going to be back on the road. Nothing planned, no trips at the moment, but you got to stay tuned, because I got to get out there as much as you guys have got to see my new content. So please stay tuned. It is coming. And just like that, we're out of the fog. Actually, I think we could be driving back into it just here. There's the Helensburgh turn off. So that was the run in between Mount Ousley and obviously St. Helensburgh turn off. Still got a bit of debris on the side of the roads from the storms, but nothing too bad. occasionally post a few photos of what's happening just to keep you guys updated, let you know that I'm still around. So yes, it's true, I do have a new pup, a new cruiser groupie. Her name's Scout. She's a Catahoula slash Wolfhound cross. More leaning towards the Catahoula. She's got the web feet, she's got the patterns, she's got the physique of the Catahoula, but a little bit of the fur of the Wolfhound's coming through, so it'll be interesting to see what she looks like when she grows up. Got her at 13 weeks. She is going in for her 16-week vaccination this weekend. This weekend being the 16th, whenever you watch this or whenever I upload it, I don't know. And then she will be coming on every single damn trip that I can organise. Obviously, national parks I'll leave for family trips where the dogs can't come, but yeah, she'll be coming along for the ride every time, hopefully bringing a little bit more roundness to the video, so stay tuned for her too. Thought you were clever, didn't you? Dug your way into jail, didn't you? Didn't you? How am I going to get you out of there now? Come here. Come on. Do you fit under here? God damn it. I thought you would have been gone for sure. You'd have fit through that fence. I blamed Scout for digging, but it was actually Fooey. Come here. Come. Fooey, come here. Get out of the mud. Come here. In your hole. In your hole. Go. Come on. You got in there. You go back. Go. Don't look at me with those eyes. I can't get you out of here. How the hell did you get in that? Guilty. Look at you. Do you like to dig, Fooey? Hey? Do you like to try to escape, Fooey? Naughty girl. Naughty. You got trapped, didn't you? There she is. All done up. Ready to go. Yes. Got my spots on. Aerial's done. She's got to do this side pipe. They're the TJM bars, they got to come off. Then we hit the bush.